Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome back. Let's get aligned and strengthen your life manager magic. Today's letter is the letter O, organizing. This is about arranging your space, time, tasks, and resources so they're easy to access and use for a life that feels more manageable. This makes life simpler, clearer, and more supportive. Ways to organize. Let go of what you don't need. Keep like items together. Put items where you use them. Create systems. Here's a few examples, things like a calendar, list, folders. And start small. You could choose one small area and also just 15 minutes. That's all it takes to get you started. Our next card is a manifesto, a place for everything and everything in its place. I find myself saying this one a lot. That way I remember to put things back where they go. Our next card is a journal prompt. Where in your life feels the most chaotic or scattered right now? How would it feel if that area was in order? Join me next time for the letter P, planning. Thank you so much for being here and for showing up for yourself and the life you deserve. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Stay aligned, stay magical.